Hi, I'm Matthew from Manning Stainton, back today to tell you about an upcoming event in your local area. The Guiseley Christmas Market and Light Switch On, run and organised by the Guiseley Christmas Lights Committee. It'll take place on the Green, Guiseley, just up from our office. On Sunday the 28th of November between 2 and 6 p.m. There'll be all sorts on, from hot food and drink, the Christmas market, a fun fair, live music and of course that big switch on. No, you can just turn up at a time to suit you. It's always a great event and we hope to see you there.